as I go on. God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors as that day comes. As I go on, God, watch over me.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, I will be cleaning, decluttering, restocking, and also organizing my fridge and pantry. So if this sounds like something you would love, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and enjoy the video.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro.
So we have two fridges, one in the family room, and the main one obviously in the kitchen. So I cleaned them the day before this restocking. So if anything needs to be wiped, I will just go ahead and do that. Otherwise, that is not the case.
And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he come out us. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go on, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go on, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.
I don't know what came over me. I thought the peppers would fit in this drawer, but that is not the case, so I had to move them to the upper drawer.
So many reasons why I want you for you, my love. Now you don't want to return, it's my love. See all the little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure.
So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you a little bit of everything that I have done so far. So right here we have tomatoes, peppers, green onions, and parsley. And in this upper drawer we have cheese, butter, limes, and lemons. And here we have peppers and cabbage. And on the side we have those kind of sauces, different sauces. We have lettuce, milk, yogurt, and everything that you can see. In my main fridge, I don't usually fill it up with a lot of things. I just leave some space for our food. So since we have to, I put a lot of things in my other fridge instead of this one. And most of the things that I have put here are the things that we usually use, like almost every day. So they always, sometimes they do get mixed up, but yeah, I try to keep everything that we don't usually use in this fridge. So here we have veggies, we have juices, milk, we have soda, water, we have eggs, we have apples and oranges in this fridge, and all those kind of things. And in the freezer we have ground chicken, chicken drumstick, all those kind of frozen chicken and frozen veggies. So yeah, corn dogs, sausages, and burritos. So those are the things we have. And yeah, thank you so much. If you are still watching right now, that means you are enjoying the video. Don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe. I know my fridges are not going to be looking like the one you have seen before, but that is how I do my things. It's different from those luxurious fridge. Like when you see excuse me, when you see people restocking and organizing the fridge. It looks so beautiful, but mine is not that beautiful. It's beautiful, but it's not like that. So if you understand what I mean. So yeah, here we come to the pantry, which is gonna need a lot of decluttering and cleaning. So I'll just go ahead and take everything out. And while I'm doing that, I'm also gonna go ahead and put everything back to make the work easier for me. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and continue to watch as well.
She be not this kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me, yeah. See me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. Without the way that you want, make tell me with this all thing, I never tried you, baby. This love will make me the starting. No, I'm gonna tell me what's up in God. I'm gonna watch it with baby. I'm gonna get I wanna make you. Baby, I feel like making you. Oh, baby, oh, no.
Messier every time. But we're not gonna give up. We are going to make it clean and organized it no matter what. And that is why we are here today. We gotta make sure it is cleaned and organized. So yeah, if you are my new friend and you are enjoying this video, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the support. I know you guys will give it a like already. And yeah, thank you so much guys once again. I just want to appreciate your precious time. You took your time out, out of your busy schedules to just come here and click on my video. Even if there are a lot of videos on YouTube, you choose
makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Tonight, I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Decide to on the low, no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick you with a tie. Cause they won't tell, cause they tryna live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Put me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah, almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off cause you call them off for me. You're always going on and on. Got it all, ask me why I never leave. I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Ooh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Decide to on the low.
So I usually keep this place filled up with other things, but today I decided to clean it and put these containers in here to save me a space in my pantry. And it turns out beautiful like I expected. And yeah, I just cleaned it off the camera because the video was getting too much longer, and I just don't want that. So now I'm just gonna go in there and put the pasta containers and also the cereal containers and anything that I can just fit in there. So yeah, let's do it.
That's fine, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want live, cause I'm going place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I checked.
Taking notes on my keyboard. What you bothering me for?
right now I'm in the process of changing these white containers with the bigger containers. The last time I bought them, I did not have a choice, so I had to buy them to keep my things for a while. But right now I found what I want, and I do buy flour, rice, and beans like 50 pounds, and I need something that would take exactly 50 pounds, and I have found that. And for these white containers right here, I still have to keep leftovers in other places, and that is what I don't want. So yeah, anyways guys, here is our pantry. It is looking beautiful and organized, and that is the most important thing. Even if we are going to mess it up again, we have an organized pantry. And yeah, I just hope you guys liked it and that you enjoyed it. And yeah, everything turns out good. I'm in the process of changing this orange color to a white color. I just want my kitchen to be all white. What do you think about it? Let me know if you agree with me, because I want it white. I don't want no more orange color. And here is my small pantry where I put cereal, pasta, and all those kind of bars. So yeah guys, excuse me. So that is what we have done today. Thank you so much for watching, and I would love to see you back.
I wanna wake up with you